Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting tension and thread paths correctly. This prevents slack that forms nests. Thread both spool and bobbin, then pull a 1/2-inch tail through the machine. Once done, lower the presser foot and take 3 backstitches to anchor the thread. Make sure the bobbin is seated and spins freely. If it hesitates, rewind it. You'll hear small resistance if tension is too tight. Loosen slightly and try a scrap sample to confirm smooth pickup. You should now focus on consistent motion and rhythm. Steady speed reduces thread looping beneath fabric. When you approach thick seams or intersections, slow down and lift the presser foot to adjust fabric. This prevents sudden tension spikes. Make sure to stop with the needle down, then lift to cut, leaving a 1/4 to 1/2-inch tail so the feed dogs keep threads aligned. Once done with a section, inspect the bobbin case for lint. Clear it to avoid buildup that causes nests. You finish by securing the thread. Either tie a tiny knot close to seam or sew 3 backstitches and trim to 1/4 inch. If you encounter a thread nest, stop immediately, rethread the top and the bobbin, remove the bobbin case and clear any lint, then test on a scrap. Make sure the needle is not bent. Replace it if dull. Lastly, adjust tension gradually while testing so you avoid overcorrection and new nests forming.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.